Hello guys, welcome to this video series on adjectives. Today I'm going to start this video by asking you one simple question. Could you tell me what kind of adjectives have been used in these two examples? And I also tell you, great is adjective. If you know how these two adjectives have been used in these two sentences, then it's quite well and good and you're lucky. If you do not know what kind of these adjectives are, then there can be some problems in order to reach our sound band score in IELTS writing and speaking, okay? Because it shows your weak grammar. Okay, but you do not need to worry as long as I'm here, because I'm going to tell you what kind of these adjectives are. Look at your display. You see two names, attributive and predicative. First, we need to look at what are attributive and predicative, okay? Okay, so these adjectives are used directly before the head noun. Bear in mind, attributive adjectives are used directly before the noun, okay? And predicative adjectives follow the verb, means they are used after the verb, okay? So as in this example you can see, so great is adjective, so here great is directly used before the noun. Great success, okay? It means it becomes attributive. So in the second example you can see, his success is great. Here the great is used after the verb. Here verb is, okay? Is helping verb. It means it becomes predicative. So let's move on to our second example. Okay, in the second example you can see there are many social issues in India. Here you can see at the display social is adjective and issues are plural noun, okay? So social is describing the issue, means social is adjective and issue is noun. Adjective's sole purpose is to describe the noun or give extra information about the noun, okay? So social is directly used before the noun. It means it is used as an attributive. But in the second example we see issues are generally social. Here social is used after the verb, okay? Here look at this. This is helping verb and social is following the helping verb. It means it becomes predictive. So for the bonus point, I tell you, part of the sentence where there is a verb, this is called the predicate. It means when we use adjective in the predicate, it becomes predicative, okay? So keep that in your mind. So let's move on to our third example and last example. So in the last example we say many people are living blissfully happy life in some countries, okay? Here again you see happy is adjective and life is noun. Adjective is describing the noun, okay? So here we have used adjective directly before the noun, okay? It means it is attributive. But in the second example we see people look blissfully happy, okay? Here we have used happy after the verb, okay? Here look is a verb and happy is following the verb. It means happy has been used as the predicative adjective, okay? So in English there are only two positions for the adjective and these positions are called attributive and predicative, okay? If you know this quite accurately, your grammar can be quite precise in IELTS writing and speaking, okay? I hope from 6 examples you can easily determine the position of these two types of adjectives, attributive and predicative. Just keep in mind, attributive adjectives are directly used before the noun and predicative adjectives always follow the verb, okay? So if you want to learn more about English and IELTS tips and tricks and strategies how to reach about 7 or 8 band score, so keep watching my videos. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and you can also like this video. And if you want to receive notification, you can hit the bell button. So until next video, goodbye.